Hey, hey, hey! It's your Perry Poppy girl, Kami Perry! Alam niyo bang na-invite ako dito sa grand opening ng Daily by Bo's Coffee dito sa Tacloban City? Well, as a girly na sobrang hilig mag-chill, ito na yata ang pinaka-cute na coffee shop na napuntahan ko. Ang gaan lang din kasi ng atmosphere dito. Ang cozy ng place, relaxing ng vibe, super aesthetic pa yung ambience. Yung food nila, super satisfying sa panlasa. By the way, ito pala ang in-order ko, chocolate crumble shake na sobrang refreshing, perfect para sa napakainit na panahon, napakasarap, and freshly baked na sausage and pepperoni pizza at itong crunchy chocolate bites with a perfect combination of crunchiness and sweetness. But wait, there's more dahil gusto kong i-share sa inyo ang pinaka-highlight ng experience ko dito. Akalain nyo yun? Pinatry lang naman nila ako kung paano maging isang barista. Grabe yung kilig ko dyan. Dahil for the first time ever, ay naranasan ko na rin kung ano ang feeling ng work behind the counter. Tinuruan pa nila ako kung paano gumawa ng sarili kong iced coffee. Talaga namang sobra akong nag-enjoy at napaka-memorable ng moment na to. So again, if you're looking for the perfect spot to unwind or just take a break, make sure to drop by here at Daily by Bo's Coffee, located at the ACLC building, Real Street, Tacloban City. See you all!